they are found guilty, we are going to suspend them, but after investigations. We've warned them that these people are human beings, they should be handled, they should stop the brutality in Kampala, because we want sanity in Kampala.
If tell us what the kind of business has been concentrated in the meeting, the hawkers in the ground, or
the business people, the traders in shops, in arcades, Chikuo people and Gazaland people, all those people in arcades. That was, we are concerned about those people, but not the hawkers outside.
Honorable Minister, issue kalala ku buyinza bwa magombolola. Joe abadde meeting y'aba mayors ne flopping out ku KCC. Kiki kimugenda okukolera aba mayor baagala okuzza obuyinza ku magombolola. Balese ku petition wano.